everyone, welcome to another spooky video this Halloween October season. Today we are going to recreate the devil makeup. I'm Christina. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for videos Wednesday and Sunday. First off, I'm going to be using the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer to prep my face. All products mentioned will be linked in the description bar below. To hide any blemishes, I'm using the Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer in the shade Ivory. Now for the fun part, the face paint. I'm using the Red Grease Makeup Paint from Tesco, as this is the only one I could find last minute. However, I do recommend using a matte finish for this look. I will link some recommendations in the description bar below. I'm blending out the paint with a kabuki brush by Revolution. Oh my god, I look like I've got really bad sunburn. I'm now going in with the Freedom SFX Ghost Stories kit, and I'm using the shade Black in this kit to define my brows and make them all devil-like. As you can see here, I'm extending my natural brow to give that more devil look. I'm then going to highlight my brow using the Revolution highlighter. For eyeshadow, I'm going to start off using a matte black from this Sleek palette. Any matte black will do to wing the outer corners of your eyelids. I'm then blending it out with a Zoeva eyeshadow brush. Now using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, I'm going in with the shade Amethyst. This will be applied to the rest of the eyelid using the same brush. Sticking with the same palette, I'm using the shade Retro Grey for the inner corners of the lid. This will be applied with a smaller brush. I'm then going to take the same shade under the eyebrow to give it that extra highlight. I'm now using e.l.f. Cosmetics Black Liquid Liner to wing my lash line. Going in with the eyeshadow blending brush, I'm using the shade Amethyst again to contour my cheekbones. I also like to contour my nose. With a big fluffy brush, I like to make sure everything is blended. Back in with that SFX palette, using the black to fill in my lips. Now to paint the rest of my body, and Bob's your uncle, you're done. Thanks for watching guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!